Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing, I guess, or unpackaging one things in an envelope. Um, I ordered a couple things off of Amazon for my bonsai stash, and we'll see what they look like. So I haven't opened these yet, so I guess we'll get to see them at the same time here. See what the quality looks like and all that good stuff. So nice big package just for this little thing, but let's see what they are. I guess we got them in two different bags. So I like, some people don't like putting little figurines or decor in your bonsai setups, but I like it. So I've got a few things here on the table that, little buildings. I've got some more up there. I've got one down here, but I just like that. And I've got some little mud men and things like that. So I have some little brass Buddha type things, and I found these, and I ordered. Came in a 3-pack, so there's 3 of them here, and they've got decent weight to them. These are brass, just something, let's see what that looks like. See if I can get closer here. So that's what they look like. Kind of neat, I think so anyway. But they're brass. The bottom's hollowed out, probably just to make them a little cheaper. But they weren't much. So if you like little decor pieces like that, um, I'll leave a link down below if you want to look at it. And I've got other stuff linked down there too. It's things that I've found on Amazon, tools, supplies, and things like that. But these are all 3 the same thing. They just, like I said, they just came in a 3-pack. Yeah, I like those. They'll look cool sitting on a underneath a bonsai tree. So we'll set those over here, and then open up the next box and see what we got. So I got it double boxed here. Cut this open and see what we got. And hopefully it's one piece and not a bunch of pieces. Nice, it's a good sign. A lot of styrofoam in here. So we'll get that cut open. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. There's a, probably guess what it is just by this. This is a little drip tray. And let's see what this guy looks like. It's packed in there pretty good. And it's a nice little bonsai pot. See if I can get you some close views to get the detail. But there's the design on the front of it. And then the same design is on the back. Really nice. It doesn't look like it's, I'm sure it's just, I don't even know the process, but it doesn't look like it's a sticker on there. It looks like it's going to be durable. And then you can see the inside. It's got wire holes and some good drainage holes. But yeah, it looks really, it's got the maker stamp on the bottom. But yeah, it's really nice. I'm very happy with the way it looks. Yeah. I don't really use a lot of drip trays, but if you were, I mean, it's nice that they gave one that's kind of color coded to the pot, I guess. Like I said, I don't use them much, except for my really small ones, small trees, where the roots grow down into the drip tray. But very happy with that. Yeah, I'll just give you another. I mean, the glaze on it is, because usually when you buy some pots like this on Amazon, some of the more inexpensive, I mean, the glaze is not that good, but here it's all the way around the lip, pretty even. Outside, I mean, it looks really good. It's all down on the feet. Yeah, really, really happy with that. So yeah, now I just have to decide which tree gets to go in there. Um, so there's the unboxing, and I'll put links down below. And this one actually comes in a couple different. It's all the same size, but there's a couple different colors and different designs on the front. And now that I see the quality of this one, I may order one of the other designs too. But very, very, very happy with this. It's not the cheapest pot, but it's not super expensive either. If you'd go to a bonsai nursery and get a pot, similar to this, you're paying a lot of money, or a lot of money for me anyway. I don't typically spend a whole bunch on pots, but not too bad a price. Like I said, you can check it out below if you want to. But yeah, really happy with it. Happy with these guys, and I think that'll do it for the video. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.